Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing the HomePod Mini. This video is just gonna be the first impressions of this HomePod Mini in orange. And the price of this one is £100. So these are pretty affordable smart speakers. This is the smaller unit of the big HomePod. So let's unbox it and take a quick listen. So let's begin. Okay, so here we have this cool orange box that says Mini on it, HomePod, and it's wrapped in this plastic wrap, which doesn't have a pull tab. You have to use something sharp to cut it through, and you can unlock the wrapper. Once you unlock the wrapper, you can lift up the box. And here is your HomePod in orange. Now you can get 5 colors: space gray, white, blue, yellow, and orange. It comes with the cable integrated. Now, if you didn't know, the latest HomePod 2's cable can be detached. This one I think it's integrated, but I like the fact that they use this braided cable, which is very nice. In here we get a pull tab for our manuals and stuff. No stickers with this one, and we get the power unit adapter, which is actually quite surprising because Apple doesn't include power adapters anymore with their latest products, but with the HomePod Mini they still throw in one. It's your standard 20-watt power adapter to power this HomePod. So that's all what comes in this box. Now let's take a look at the speaker itself. So on top you get the display, obviously the one that you're going to interact, the volume up and down buttons. Now on the big HomePod, this is just blacked out or whitened out if you have the white color. Here you can actually see the volume up and down buttons. This is made out of this nice material, and the speaker's pretty light. Get a pull tab. There we go. And the cable's unleashed. And the cable length is 2 meters. So this is quite a long cable for you to plug it in. So let me now plug this HomePod in. We'll set it up and take a quick listen. So the HomePod is activated. I've plugged it in. I think what it's asking me now is to set it up. So I unlock my iPhone. It should find, yep, HomePod Mini set up. So you just grab your iPhone and we can set it up. So we go to the center of the frame. Yep, you just scan the HomePod. Recognizes it. Then what you gotta do is select which home you want it in. I have 2 for some reason. Just select one. And it's gonna be in my bedroom. Let's transfer the settings. Personal requests, why not? And it's setting it up further. HomePod is ready just like that. Okay, that's it. I guess now we can play music and test it out. What I want to try is, I saw this feature Apple advertised is, can you transfer music straight from the iPhone to without having to go to the AirPlay settings and choose there. So let's just play something. Oh, look at that. Transfer straight away. Sounds good. I like the sound. The bass is good. You can feel it, the table definitely rumbling. I like the mids. Highs are good. If you get 2, you can stereo pair them, so you can have an awesome sound experience. But I mean, for a small speaker, I think this sounds very good. I like the sound. Volume is quite good. I mean, it's not the loudest out there, but it is, after all, you have to remember, it's a small speaker, it's not gonna be loud. But the sound, yeah, first impressions, quite good. Of course, you can also ask it to do simple things like, hey, what's the time?
It's 1827.
Can respond like that. Or, hey Siri, what's the weather like?
I can't tell your location because of your settings. Where would you like to hear the weather for?
London.
It's currently cloudy and 7 degrees in London, United Kingdom.
There we
Expect partly cloudy skies starting in the evening.
One thing I also want to try is, hey Siri, turn off the ambient light. Oh, as you can see there, the light, it turned it on. Hey Siri, turn off ambient light. There we go. This light, by the way, is home controlled, and yeah, that is very convenient. The fact that I can tell it to turn it on and off without having to go into my iPhone to turn it off, or using, let's turn it back on. Hey Siri, turn on ambient light. Yep, brilliant. Hey Siri, ambient light color white. Can change color as well, look at that. Hey Siri, ambient color orange. Perfect. Yeah, so I mean, Siri is said to be not the best not the best voice assistant out there, but when it comes to these smart speakers in terms of sound and music, HomePod and HomePod Mini might be the best out there. I haven't heard Alexa's voice assistants and Google's in terms of sound, but I think from what I've heard, HomePod and HomePod Mini are the best out there if you for like in terms of music. And because if you have an Apple ecosystem, it's just more convenient. I mean, I like the fact that I can just easily transfer music. And one thing I'm curious, can it play radio? Hey Siri, play LBC.
Okay, here's LBC.
Have recognized and identified
It can play radio as well.
in the local government
That's
that I'm
awesome.
working.
So yeah, this is HomePod Mini. I think if you want a smart speaker in your room, like a bedroom or a small room, any sort, I think HomePod Mini is a great smart speaker. The sound is awesome, and it's especially convenient if you have an Apple ecosystem. That's been it, guys, for the first impressions and unboxing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.